This PRAKI cereal container storage set provides 8 generously sized containers that can each hold a full family box of cereal or bulk dry goods, making it ideal for serious pantry organization. The clever flip-top spout with a built-in pouring hole lets you dispense cereal, rice, or pet food without removing the entire lid, which keeps contents fresher and reduces spills. A continuous silicone gasket around the pour opening and lid gives these containers strong airtight and watertight performance, helping to keep food crisp and protected from moisture and pests. The clear plastic bodies make it easy to see exactly how much cereal, flour, or snacks you have left at a glance, so you can refill before you unexpectedly run out. Because the containers are tall, uniform, and stackable, they use vertical space efficiently and fit neatly into cupboards, pantry shelves, or even the freezer without wasting space. The included reusable labels, marker, and measuring cup add thoughtful convenience, allowing you to keep everything clearly identified and portion out ingredients accurately for cooking or baking.